frame pretty much squared up, almost perfect right now. Me and Dylan and Brian spent a good day yesterday on it and got it all squared up and got the body sitting on it. And took the front crossmember out and the back crossmember, moved this one back 2 inches because I had it forward 3 inches, so I moved it forward 1 inch. And then the back crossmember is where it should be as far as the wheel well goes now, as it was, wheel placement was off before, but now it's almost directly centered. And got some borrowed rims and tires right now. There's 700s in the back and 600s in the front, so I'm thinking 750s and then maybe 550s for the front will probably help it out a lot. It's close, it's very close, but it's just not quite tall enough. So I think once we a little bit taller tire would probably fill up the gap. But 4-inch drop axle that my old man got me for Christmas came in. I ordered a couple other things for it, and should be able to get the front end put together here probably within this week, maybe next weekend. It'll be on its own suspension, front and rear. Pretty much, I haven't really done too much else. Locking up the door handle. Let's see what it looks like. Started messing with the back and the sheet metal a little bit. Need to, when I cut it and then separated it, and then I had this lifted up where it should be right now. It's just hanging there because it's not in place, and it's following the curvature of the frame. But once I get that level, bend the frame, make the frame fit it, and then call that done, and then start, I guess, working my way forward. Maybe work my way back. I'll figure it out. But it's getting there. A little progress update. Won't make the video too long. There she is. Did mock up the intake with the heads a little bit again, just because it looks good. But yeah, so really solid 2 days of work there. I'm very happy with it. Oh, one more thing, I guess, real quick. The X member. The old one that I had has a, I think it was 36, 39-ish X member that came out of the car. There was this middle piece over there. I had to take that out so the drive shaft can actually clear it, and then I'm probably going to have to lower the trans mounts. We'll see when I get the kind of the flathead mocked up in the frame. It'll probably come pretty soon as I get the front suspension mocked up. But yeah, she's getting there. There it is. Progress update. All right, thanks for watching.